Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, December 2nd. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, a couple of things. New all-time high for the ES, SPY, and SPX. New all-time high for the NASDAQ Composite and the NDX and triple Qs, but not for NQ. ES has its 8th smallest range of the year. They're also very good chance to be in the top 10 lightest volume of the year. So again, we talk about this constantly. It's all short-term money moving this market, but it keeps grinding higher. We didn't even attempt to get into any of the single prints from Friday. NQ has a monthly gap and a $3 buy tail. Look at that. So everybody just keeps waiting for this market to come in, and that's not how it works, folks. Markets don't go bull bear. You need some balance. We are right now full bore bear in ES and in NQ. So continually looking for this market to just roll over and play dead is hurting a lot of people, I believe. Righty goes out with a 9-wide POC, an afternoon pullback in J. They didn't get their IB high to 20 minutes left in the day as they probed. They're still in balance on the daily, okay? They're still in balance, right? All-time high is the balance high. And then, what is that? I think that's Tuesday's low is the balance low. NQ goes out with just an afternoon pullback in J. And, of course, the gap below. ES goes out with a 10-wide point of control, a pullback in J, and a poor high at the all-time high. So that's another nice target. And a poor low on today's low. SPY just had the poor low. They do not have a poor high. It was a very good day, very accommodating day. Look, ES's range was ridiculously small, but NQ's was not. NQ had a great range today, which provided good opportunities. Had a $5.50 range. So that provided good opportunities. I took a short. I front ran the overnight high in NQ before the opening. Right before the opening, it opened, came in, had a nice trade on that. But then when it started going back up, I didn't get in quick enough. As soon as I got above the open, I tried to get long to get the overnight high. I missed it. But after that, once we had the gap, value, overnight high, indices, any ebb and flow long I was playing and did very well in A period. Same thing in B period. Took the long to get A's high and then ebb and flow trades. And C, again, to get the IB high and ebb and flow trades because we were one-time framing up. Now, NQ did have a trend day up in E, which failed. ES actually had a very small one in L, which also failed. So the morning was excellent. Then I started looking for afternoon pullback lows and did very well. Even though the market was one-time framing down, I made money on every pullback I bought in H, I, and J in NQ. And that was it. I didn't do anything after that. So it was a very, very good start to the week, to the month, as I think NQ with the, look, they were 8-0 on our checklist sheet, right? There's only 10 things on it. They won 8-0. ES, the Bulls won 5-0. So, again, people have to start looking at a market as a whole and what it does on an intraday basis also. Because I'm telling you, there's so many people here that continually just fight these things when there's no reason to fight it. So one day they'll learn, or they get knocked out of the market because they just blow their accounts. The all-time high is 68.50, which is poor. We're 10 wide at 59.75. We have an afternoon pullback at 56, and today's low is 49.75, which is also poor. SPY's all-time high is 604.32, not poor. 10 wide at 603.46. Afternoon pullback at 603.05. And today's low, which is poor, is 602.47. And then on our charts, so here's the daily. It's up, right? All-time highs. Every tick higher is uncharted territory in the S&P. Now, they do still have a nice target with the poor high today, and NQ certainly has a good target because they still haven't made a new all-time high the way NDX and the composite and Qs did, and their all-time high is also in the overnight. Hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.